another video. I'm here at Danny Built Racing, and we got the car broke down, and they are putting on the new oil pump housing with gears and crank sprocket. We also have replaced the timing chain just for insurance. Could you explain to us what's going on here?
Yeah, we're changing all timing components, secondary chains, main chains, tensioners, secondary tensioners, guides. I mean, when you have 130,000 miles, it's one of those things.
This is the daily driver, y'all. Y'all know that. And I see we got the supercharger intercooler in already. Okay, everything is coming together. YouTube, I hope y'all don't strike me, man, with the music playing in the background, man. You know, I don't own the rights, and then, you know, of course, that don't even matter because, you know, so hopefully I can overtalk it, but if not, it doesn't matter, man. We're gonna get through this, man. We're gonna get through this. But yeah, man, more videos, more updates to come, man. I just thought I'd let you guys see, like I told y'all, I finally got a break into action on the job. So I was able to come down here right quick and see what's going on, you know, see the process and stuff like that. Like I say, man, I want these guys to take their time, however long it take, it's cool, it's all right, man. But this is Mustang Muscle. By the way, I gotta show you guys the new dash painted by SSR Collisions on the wifey's car, Athena, the war goddess. I will show you guys, so stay tuned. Don't leave the channel. I still gotta show you guys that. All right, guys, she's back. Athena, the war goddess. She was up at SSR Collision. A little backstory. This door right here was crunched in. A neighbor's company bagged straight into it and, you know, messed up the mirror, crunched in the door. It was ugly. It was ugly. If I got a picture, I'll insert it. I don't know if I got a picture of it, but yeah, it was ugly, man. And but yeah, she's back in all her glory. As you can see, Chris Tress them at SSR Collision, they put this guy back together. Well, this girl, she's pretty in the sun as always. But here's the game changer right here. This is what they also do at SSR Collision. Look at that, beautiful. Look at the dash. They custom painted the dash pieces the same color, Kona blue. Yes. Beautiful. Athena is ready to ride. Athena ready to lift that skirt up, y'all. Ready to lift that skirt up. But yeah, we got plans for this car. We're gonna start off with the suspension, make sure that it handles real good. We're gonna lower the car. Yeah, we got a lot coming in for this car. We're getting everything together, and yeah, she's gonna end up being an animal like the Mad Titan. Right now, with the Mad Titan, we gotta also check in for some fuel rails to go to be able to fit around the Kenny Bell blower, because, you know, with the kit they normally go with the stock fuel rails, but we have a return style fuel system, and the kit is for a returnless fuel system, you know, and so we're going with the return. So now we got to look for some rails, but once we get the rails and the tensioners and everything, they'll put the front cover on, button it up, slap the blower on top, get all the pulleys, belts, and everything installed. That'll be taken care of. Then we can focus on the fuel system. I already got the dual pump hats and the hoses and fittings and all that for the Ford fuel system. So that's in store. Like I say, you know, you got to be patient in everything that you do. Yeah, things still can happen, things still can break or whatever may be the case. That's all good. But as long as you know that you took out the time and you covered most of the ground and you know, just be thorough with the situation, you'll have longevity in this. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna bring more videos. Once again, I gotta always say, if I can, I'm gonna bring more videos. You're definitely gonna get the video when I pick it up. You know, we also gotta do a in-person dial-in of the tune with the tuner Chase at Power Lab in person. I'm gonna have videos of that as we're doing wide open pulls together, as he makes sure that the car is running strong and healthy, and all that is gonna be a blast. It's gonna be fun. And then, you know, we're just starting off with the base pulley, then we're gonna work our way up, and then we're gonna go into the 10 rip setup, and you know, get the 20% lower, and you know, we're gonna start working our way. By that time, you know, we're gonna be looking into built trans, built motors, you know, just so everything will be safe, you know, and you know, just get the most out of the car. This is gonna be an awesome daily driver. So if you guys just stay tuned, make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please go down, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click the notification bell so you can get the videos first, that you'll be on the list. And if you are an OG, welcome back to the channel. Like I say, Mustang Muscle out. Peace.